First of all, we just want to thank you so much for your time today and show your interest in WordprSEO. WordprSEO is a website builder based on WordPress, and it's also SEO optimized, so you will have everything in one package and your website will be ready to be working as an SEO in the long term. In this video, I will go through how WordprSEO is working and how things can be very optimized, and also it can be changeable in the long term. We have a very important links. Links are inside our tutorial. You will have this link actually, and you can just watch everything in there, especially the website in action, the prices, tutorial. This page is a tutorial, so you can have everything documented if you would like to change anything, including also the sections, how sections looks like, what is its name, the name of each connection, how connection is built, and all of that. But before we are moving forward, let's quickly to have a quick overview about WordprSEO. WordprSEO, this is a website. The website is pretty easy. You can change everything in there, and also including everything, including the services list, including the client's blog. It can add news. You can add about us and contact us. You can add any other pages. Search is working, and also a short link. This link is creating a short link of this URL, so you can just share it in a short link with your clients or with your coworkers. Also, website is pretty easy and pretty straightforward for changes, and as you can see, it's we spend a lot of time to build a very good typography and to make things looks very nice, like you just see that now. So once you have the website, you will have the same copy of this version. You will have everything in there, exactly the same copy of this version for your website. That's the first step. The second step, you will just log into the admin panel, and the admin panel already we will send you the username and the password. The username and the password is unique for each person in our website. So once you are logged in, you will have all the admin panel in WordPress. So this is very important thing that you need to understand, that the website is built with three important things. The first thing is the categories. The second thing is the tags. The third thing is the single pages, which is the posts pages, and the fourth is the pages itself, like about us and the contact us. We have described everything inside the tutorial, so I will not go through everything in there, but I will show you the admin in depth. So first of all, once you have the admin panel, you can start changing the categories. Categories actually means the services, the clients, the blog. It can also the news, anything that can control classifying some of the posts. So actually, let's talk about the services first. So once you have the services category, you will have everything in there, everything reflected in the categories page. So once we have open the services page to just give a quick look, so you will find here that the service page is reflected the same in the admin panel. So once you change everything in the title, it will directly changing in there. So pretty easy. You can add icon, and the icon is already we have noted everything in there. So if you would like to change this icon, you can go to the website and you can just copy and paste the icon name. Buttons, you can add buttons. You can see here the about us and the contact us. It's pretty easy. You can add one more button. You can change button by also just selecting a page from the website. You can just drag and drop. Everything is pretty easy, and if there is something you need to change, you can just remove it from there. Description of the page and also reflected in there. You will have keywords is very important for SEO optimization, so you can add more than one keyword. So you can keyword number 2, keyword 3, and so on. It's pretty easy. Third is the body. The body, it means the sections that we have inside here. So the sections is also described in the tutorial. If you would like to have a section like the title, description, if you have sections like the video, if you have the video on YouTube, image gallery, for example. So it's pretty easy to add everything in there. So let me quickly try to show you how you can add the section or edit the section. So actually this section is why you need digital transformation. It's the same inside the services. That's why you need digital transformation. So you can change everything in there. You can add more field like I did. You can change everything. You can just a spacer top and down. You can add spacing between sections from 1 to 5. 5 is the maximum, 1 is the lowest. And tags list, you can also have a connection between the tags and categories. You can add everything and change everything needed in there. And if you would like to add a new section, you can just scroll down until the last one is basically the contact details and all of that will be there. So you can just press a plus and you will have all the section options in there. So you can add, for example, a video or article, slideshow, images. You can just press it and add to gallery. You can add the images and that's done. You can just have the image gallery ready. Once everything is done for each page, you can just press update and it will update directly inside the website. That's it. Also for tags, so let me quickly try to go to tags. I will leave this page without saving and go for tags. Tags are it's like categories, like classification, but tags is important to cross single pages posts and the connection between posts and single pages. So you can pretty easy change if you have a services, for example, like we did inside the website, sub services, I mean like marketing services, modern software delivery, recruitment and IT professional services. You can for each clients that you have, you can connect one or two or three services for them. So for example, if you working with HSBC or Visa, you can select two services like marketing services and recruitment services, for example. But for categories, you have to choose only one category. For tags, it's open to select any tags for any single page. Okay, so let's go to tags. Tags, it's the same like the categories. You can change everything again. You can do all that you would like. If you don't like this this part and you would like to remove it, you can just remove it from there. You can collapse these icons. You can drag and drop and just remove the ones that you don't like to add. You can just remove this one. You can drag and drop and adding the page content one before the article. You can do whatever you want in this website. It's pretty easy. Everything is changeable and you can just control everything in there. Okay, so let me quickly go to posts and pages, and they are the same. Posts, basically it can be used for as the last of the funnel, so you can use it as a blog single page. You can use it as a client single page or the name of the client. So it's the same. You can open, for example, one of the blogs. So if you can see here inside our website, we have a blog section. Blog section is very important for SEO. So you can just press in there and you will find the blog section, the same blog single page, 10 consulting ideas and so on. You can the same, you can change description, you can add keywords, you can also play with everything. You can add the article title, you can also add an article description, you can control spacing, you can also add a tag connection, and everything it will be connected in there. So it's pretty, like I said, it's pretty easy website. You can change everything. So for example, if I open this one and I can let you see how things is going. So here is the image, here is a description, here is a connection between tags. You can select a shortcut to a tag in here if you are talking about something related to tags. You can add video directly from YouTube, and also the description. It's the same, like the same structure in there. So once you are done, you can just press upload and everything will be uploaded to the website. That's it for also pages. Pages is like the about us page and contact us page is the same, exactly the same. There is nothing fancy between all of them. They're using the same system. But before I will go to about us and contact us, I will go to homepage. Homepage is showing the important changes for the website. So you can have the title of the website, the logo. You can upload the logo, and you will have also the recommended size for the logos. You can just press and change the color of the website as you wish. You can just change it from there. You can change the slider. If you go to the home page and check how the slider it looks like, here is a slider, so you can quickly from the admin just remove the link if you would like, remove the image, sorry, and you can add another image. It's pretty easy, pretty fast. Website is clearly we spend a lot of time to make the performance very well. You can add title, description, you can link to one of the tags, and this is updated automatically from the tags that you will add in there. There is also buttons for the sliders, the social media icons. You can add as much as social media icons that, as you like, so it will be directly added in there. Main image, this main image is really for like sharing in social media, and the image that it will be displayed in your search term. And description, keywords, body, the same. You can add the sections, the part of the sections. You can like we did for the single page and tags and categories, you can pretty easy change anything. You can just drag and drop, like I said again. You can just remove something. You can, if you would like to drag and drop, you can collapse these sections, for example, and you can just drag and drop here. That's pretty easy website. And also you can finally, once you finished, you can just press update. Website is pretty easy, like I said, and everything is controllable. Also for the contact section. Contact section is you can control the contact form, and you can control the to and form email, where is to go, and your name, and you can also change the structure of the message. It's pretty easy. Also, you can just change and press save. Menus also it's something also good for you, because the menus, if you want to control how the menus it looks like, and this is also easy. So you can just, once a menu, the last thing need to be changed, because once you finished everything inside the website, you can just drop the links that is did already. So for example, I can add a blog in there, and in the top just drag and drop, and about us before services, or I can take all the services and put it out in the last item in the list. And once I press save menu, it will directly save the menu and update the menu in there. For the search, like I said, the search is also easy. If I would like to search for Nescafe, for example, you will have the poster that it's already have a Nescafe. It could be in title, it could be in body. The search is very advanced, and already you can just search anything that you would like inside the website. The good thing also, the website is have a very good slider, so you can just from there. It's a built-in slider. It's actually, if you have a gallery of images and you would like the client to just see everything in one place, it's pretty easy, pretty good for websites like real estate websites. And the video gallery is also working at fetching the video from YouTube directly. There is no loading or very loading time on the website. And that's it. I think I'm done. Of course, if you have any question, you can get back to us. WordprSEO is something that we spend years for building, so you have a very good experience in there, and I think this could be updated to the long-term plan, because actually we have a very promising features will be added for this website. So stay tuned for another sections or another updates that could be updated on this website. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great day.